Hello guys, so for this video, we will be talking about this equation and we are to find the value of x. So it's 5 raised to x is equal to 3. So if makaka-encounter po kayo ng mga equation na ganito, na something is raised to 3 or a number is raised to 3, the best thing that you will do is to apply po the properties of logarithm. So ganito lang po ang gagawin natin. So we will take the log of both sides. So that's log of 5 raised to x is equal to log 3. Okay? And then, this portion here, we can rewrite that one as ganito. X log 5 is equal to log 3. Okay? So, bale, itong ating exponent dito ay naging coefficient na siya dito. Okay, and then we just have to divide both sides by log 5. Okay, log 5. And then, of course, log 5 divided by log 5, we can cancel that out because that's equal to 1. Okay, so 1 times x is just x. And now your x is equal to log 3 over log 5. So if you will use your calculator, okay, ito yung bibigyan niya, 0.68. So, our answer po, the value of our x is 0.68. So, ganun lang po kadali if you have this type of equation and you're asked to find the value of x.